other guy. Get the rope too.
You can stop now.
Just stuff in one hole in the corner. That's all you have to do. So it makes all the rest. I would look on 3D Content Central or look at the maps of the car. They probably have one already drawn. Download it. Yeah, it's just another part of it. It's another part. You can add it to the Sorry, you can download a lot of them. It's already a SolidWorks file, already a cut file, and put it right into something.
You need to. Alright, can you do this one?
Talk about it.
Just let it hang like that. Well, it's gonna be.
We'll have a Monday night too. We'll have 3 hours Monday night. Okay, let's see you Monday.
Monday, what time? 10.
You coming in night?
And I can come earlier too.
Yeah, send me some email.
Okay.
Remind me and I'll check my calendar.
Okay.
Are you taking pictures now?
Need a lot more length.
I'm just taking a video.
No, home videos.
Yeah.
Try to start it? Yep. How about your safety glasses? For the picture. Oh, I can't take your picture without safety glasses. I gotta keep you honest.
It's not going that
Yeah,
fast.
you can just copy it off the hands with you. It'll probably be a lot easier for you. And if you miss any other
This suit is coming off in an hour, no matter where you are. Okay. So we get an hour and it's all about
Tilt it back to the hip. Randy's crotch rocket. Chopper. Got the wheel. Okay. Go get it.
Go.